friends, Brandy Millsap here with Brandy Millsap Wellness and O Refined, and today we're going to talk about what we can do in our homes, one simple, easy thing that we can do in our homes to reduce the toxin load, save some money, and make cleaning house enjoyable. So you're probably going, okay, really, like I don't like to clean my house, how is that going to be enjoyable? So I'm super excited about this. So I have not bought a household cleaner or an over-the-counter medication for 2 years because I've just used my essential oils. So we're going to talk about 2 essential oils today. One is lemon, and we're going to talk about how we can use it to clean the home, and the other one is OnGuard. So both of these have antiseptic, antifungal, antimicrobial, antiviral properties to them. So using them to clean in our home is like, ta-da! So I'm going to show you just a couple of simple things that I do. And I'm kind of lazy. There's 100 recipes out there, and I'll post some in the comments. If you're more of a DIY person than I am, I'll post some additional comment in the comments that you can just download the recipe. But for me, my life is super crazy, super busy, and so I want simple, fast, and easy, right? Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so the first thing I do is I create a paste. So you're going to want to use a glass container because any of your citrus oils will eat through the plastic. So you want to use a glass container. You're going to want some baking soda. And then, of course, you're going to want a spoon to mix it up and some of your lemon essential oil and OnGuard. Now, you could just do lemon if you're on a budget. Lemon is $10 on your wholesale account. You only need to use about 10 drops. They cost 0.04 cents per drop, so it's really inexpensive. I like to use the OnGuard in it as well. It's got some additional germ fighting capabilities. So, or the other thing that you can use is we have a concentrated OnGuard cleanser. So this is like $14.50. These last me anywhere between 3 to 5 months, one of these. And I use it for everything. So from my dishes to my floors. So super easy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fill up your container, your empty container, with baking soda and leave yourself a little bit of room so that you can mix it all in. So we're just going to fill it up. Da-da-da. Here we go. Okay, for this size, I'm going to only add about 10 drops, so 5 drops of each of the lemon and the OnGuard. So we'll just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're just going to mix it with water. So you're going to want to just start out with a little bit of water, and you kind of have to chop it in. And you're going to just keep mixing and adding water until it turns into a paste. So very, very simple. And I'll just show you the end result. It's kind of like when you make homemade gravy, how when you add arrowroot or what is it? Cornstarch to the gravy, how it kind of goes thick. So you just want it kind of pasty, right? And you're going to want to leave a little bit of water in there because it is going to evaporate and it is going to, voila. So if you can see that consistency, it's still moving in there. Put an airtight container lid on it and store it under your sink. So this I use on my tubs, my sinks, and my toilets. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is you just need to have a spray bottle. So I use this for my countertops and mirrors, and it is literally just water with 4 to 5 drops of lemon and 4 to 5 drops of OnGuard. Now, sometimes I'll just use a tablespoon of the OnGuard concentrated cleaner in it, and then maybe add 5 drops of lemon, top it off with water, and you've got an absolutely amazing countertop cleaner. Now, you can take the lemon if you've got a nasty microwave, say, and it's full of grease, because lemon loves to cut through grease. Take a coffee cup and put like 2 drops of lemon in it, and then put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then take it out, and everything just wipes off really easy, really clean. So I hope you like this little video about how you can clean your home. Now, let me tell you why it would make you happy, because I love the emotional stuff, right? So any of your citrus oils have an uplifting ability to them. So if you're feeling kind of down, kind of sad, you want to reach for your citrus essential oils. So you are using both of these are citrus. So you're getting the aromatic benefits. You're also getting it in your skin when you clean, right? Because when we use our cleaners, if we're not using gloves, we're getting those chemicals into our skin. It's the largest organ on our body is the skin. But this way we're able to clean without getting those harmful chemicals. In fact, we're putting these essential oils into our body. It's getting into our bloodstream, and it's really helping our body to cleanse and detoxify while we clean house. And it smells amazing. It has that uplifting aroma. It makes you feel happy. Here's what I love about the lemon. So let's just kind of go through lemon and the cost of it, right? So in this bottle, there's about 250 drops, right? And I've already told you the cost of it is 0.04 cents. So one of these bottles, if that's all you did was lemon and you use this bottle, would make 25 bottles of cleanser. How long would that last you? I mean, that would last me forever. I go through one of these a month. So we're talking just over 2 years, right? That one bottle will last. Now think about how much Comet or Febreze or Windex, or just your cleansers that you use on your countertops, or your wood polish. How many of those that you go through in 2 years? And let's say they cost $5 a piece on average. You're going to spend $125 for 25 of those collectively. That probably is not going to last you for 2 years. So when you think about the cost savings, when you move to essential oils, I mean, you're saving money. It's not harmful. You don't have to worry about bleach staining your clothes. I know that used to happen to me all the time. I had a set of clothes that I cleaned house in because I kept ruining my shirts. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You don't have to worry about your kids or your pets getting into it because it's 100% natural. It's going to uplift your mood, and it's going to get into your system and be cleansing and detoxifying. So that is just a couple of, now you can get a little crazy. You can put some vinegar in it. You can put, there's a bunch of different recipes on how you can do it. But for me, this has been the simplest, easiest way. I find that my house stays clean. We rarely get sick around here. I think it's because the germs are really getting, we're really getting to the germs. The other thing that you can do is lemon is really great for furniture polish. So you can mix it with some olive oil, a few drops of this, and just spray it on your rag and then use it on your furniture polish. So there you go. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I post every Wednesday. I try to, whether I'm out in the cabin or I'm on the road, I try to post every Wednesday something that I think that you will love and benefit from. If you're ready to get started with the essential oils, let me know in the comments below and I will help you get started. It's super easy. It's a wholesale account. It's yours. There's no selling required. There's no monthly minimum, and you can start getting those oils. Now, when you enroll with me, I teach you, I give you tips and tricks. I have a VIP group on Facebook that you can join. We have a monthly newsletter, and of course, I buy you the Modern Essentials app so that you have answers at your fingertips so that you're empowered to help your family. And then, of course, we have a lifetime friendship. I'm always here to help you along your essential oil journey. So I will see you guys next Wednesday, and I hope you enjoyed this.